In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore site history. If you've ever made changes to your Wix site and wished you could turn back the clock, this walkthrough is for you. Site history lets you revisit earlier versions of your website and bring one of them back into the editor, so you can quickly undo mistakes, recover deleted content, or simply revert to a layout that worked better. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once the editor opens, give it a moment to load your pages and tools so everything is ready to use. Look toward the top of the editor and click the Site option in the main menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Site History. This opens a dedicated panel where Wix keeps a chronological list of your saved versions, each labeled with the date and time it was created. Think of this as a timeline of your work, captured at various points as you made edits. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the time frame that best matches when your site last looked the way you want. When you find a promising version, click View next to it. This opens a read-only preview of that snapshot, allowing you to confirm it's the one you want to bring back. Take a careful look around. Click through key pages, glance at your navigation, check important text blocks and images, and make sure the layout, colors, and content match your goal. If it's not quite right, simply close the preview and choose another version to view. Once you've identified the correct version, click Restore. Wix may ask you to confirm, since restoring replaces the content currently in your editor with the selected snapshot. Don't worry, this action is reversible. The version you're leaving behind is also stored in your site history, so you can always revisit it again if needed. After the restore completes, you'll be back in the editor with that earlier version loaded, ready to continue refining and updating as usual. Note that restoring affects the version in the editor. Your live site won't change until you publish, so you have room to review everything carefully before making it public. That's all there is to it. Log in and open your site in the Wix editor, click Site in the top menu, select Site History, browse the dated versions, view the one you want, and click Restore. With these steps, you can confidently roll back to a previous state and keep your site moving in the right direction.